but you know, we loved our meeting with President Trump yesterday. I mean, I told President, I said, I've been in public eye for 40 years, and sort of, you know, when you go and meet someone who's high profile, you get a lot of advice. Never have I got as much advice when I went to see President Trump. And I have to say, I mean, all my delegation, we were just blown away by the way he just disarmed us. I mean, he was just so relaxed, straightforward. I noticed India's not very happy with the remark. But I mean, you know, it's such a thing, it's a 70-year-old conflict. And so, what is wrong with saying that, look, if we can resolve it between the two countries?
Sure.
I mean, it's not some vicious, it's a pretty benign remark. Anyway, we loved our meeting.